A cozy classroom, afternoon. Sunlight streams through the windows. Zian, Roshni, and Jay, three curious kids, sit together looking at an old map. Zian, excited, guys, look at this. I found this map in my grandpa's attic. It's called The Secret of Echo Valley. Roshni, leaning in, what's that glowing mark? It looks like an X. Jay, grinning, everyone knows X marks the treasure. But wait, what's that note? Reads aloud, only the brave who solve the riddle shall find the key. A dense forest. Birds chirp, leaves rustle. The kids follow the map to Echo Valley. Roshni whispers, this place feels magical. Look at those glowing mushrooms. Zian, and listen. Claps hands, and the sound echoes. That's why it's called Echo Valley. Jay notices and replies, hey. The tree with the twisted trunk. It's on the map. But, the ground is shaking. The earth trembles, and the twisted tree shifts, revealing an entrance underground. A dark, mysterious cave. A torch on the wall lights up magically as they step inside. Mysterious voice, booming and mysterious said, to pass, answer this, I have keys but open no locks. What am I? Zian, thinking and carried, keys. A treasure chest. Roshni, snaps fingers and said, no, wait. A piano. It has keys but doesn't open anything. The cave rumbles, and a stone door slides open, revealing a golden box. Glowing chamber filled with books and scrolls. Jay, amazed, it's not gold or jewels. It's books. Zian, reading the paper, the true treasure is knowledge. Share it, and you'll be richer than any king. Roshni, smiling and answer, this is amazing. Imagine what we can learn from these books. Mysterious voice asks suspiciously, you have passed the test. Wisdom is the greatest adventure. Their classroom. The kids excitedly tell their teacher, Miss Willow, about their adventure. Miss Willow, smiling and said, what a wonderful journey. Remember, knowledge is a treasure that never fades. The kids high-five, their eyes sparkling with excitement, ready for their next adventure.